The future of delivery: how drones are changing the game in logistics and e-commerce. Introduction to drones and their records in transport. Drones, additionally referred to as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have been around for decades. They had been, to begin with, evolved for Navy purposes, but over time, their use multiplied to different areas, such as transport. In 2013, Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos introduced that his organization was checking out using drones for package deal transport. Since then, numerous different corporations have accompanied suit. Advancements in the drone era and their abilities. The drone enterprise has visible substantial improvements in the era over the last few years. Drones are actually prepared with sensors, cameras, and different techniques that permit them to fly autonomously, keep away from obstacles, and navigate through complicated environments. They also bring heavier payloads and fly longer distances than before. Additionally, drones have become increasingly sophisticated, with the capacity to carry out duties consisting of analyzing infrastructure, surveying land, and tracking wildlife. AI drones and their ability to affect the enterprise. Artificial intelligence, AI, likewise plays a substantial function in the improvement of drones. AI-enabled drones can carry out duties consisting of facial recognition, item tracking, and self-sufficient flight planning. These abilities will permit drones to supply applications correctly and accurately, decreasing the hazard of mistakes and accidents. Moreover, AI drones can research from their studies and enhance their overall performance over time. The use of drones has the ability to convert the transport enterprise, making it quicker, safer, and extra reliable. Government tasks and policies around drone utilization. The use of drones for transport has raised issues regarding safety, security, and privacy. As a result, many nations have carried out policies about drone utilization. In the United States, the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, has set up guidelines for the operation of drones, such as the need for registration, pilot certification, and flight regulations. Other international locations have additionally carried out comparable policies, a number of which can be extra stringent than the ones inside the US. As using drones for transport will become extra widespread, it is very probable that governments will retain put-in-force policies to make sure they're secure and accountable use. Increasing call for drones in numerous industries. While the transport industry is one of the #1 customers of drones, they may be additionally being utilized in different industries. For example, drones are getting used to investigating oil rigs, wind turbines, and different infrastructures, decreasing the desire for human people to carry out risky duties. Drones are also being utilized in agriculture, wherein they are able to screen crops, spray pesticides, and map fields. Additionally, drones are being utilized in seek and rescue operations to discover lacking people and supply substances to inaccessible areas. Investment possibilities inside the drone marketplace. The drone marketplace is anticipated to develop substantially within the coming years. According to a document Markets and Markets, the drone marketplace is anticipated to reach $45.8 billion with the aid of 2025, with a compound annual increase rate, CAGR, of 14.1%. This increase gives substantial funding possibilities for the ones seeking to make investments in the drone marketplace. Companies worried about drone manufacturing, software program improvement, and offerings associated with drone utilization are all ability funding possibilities. Challenges confronted with the aid of using the enterprise because of policies. While using drones for transport has a substantial ability, the enterprise is going through numerous demanding situations because of policies. As referred to earlier, policies about drone utilization were carried out to ensure safety, security, and privacy. However, those policies also make it hard for corporations to use drones for transport. For example, Regulations on flight paths and altitude can restrict the space and velocity at which drones can supply applications. Additionally, the cost of complying with policies may be substantial, making it hard for smaller corporations to go into the marketplace. Success memories of corporations: the use of drones for transport. Despite the demanding situations confronted with the aid of enterprise, numerous corporations have efficaciously carried out using drones for transport. In 2016, Swiss Post and Maternity released a drone transport carrier for scientific samples, which has been multiplied to encompass different sorts of deliveries. In 2019, Wing, a subsidiary of Alphabet, released a drone transport carrier in Australia, turning in objects consisting of food, drinks, and medication. These fulfillment memories show the ability of drones inside the transport enterprise and offer a roadmap for different corporations to follow. Future predictions for the drone enterprise. The destiny of the drone enterprise seems bright. As the era continues, drones have become extra sophisticated, efficient, and reliable. The use of drones will remodel the enterprise, making it quicker and safer. Additionally, drones can be utilized in extra industries, supplying new possibilities for increase and innovation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to watch more videos like this.